Right now, people with no technical background are building AI businesses that generate $5,000, $10,000, even $30,000 a month from a laptop. Not in theory. Right now. And the crazy part? Most of these businesses didn't even exist 18 months ago. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI businesses you can start today with nothing more than a laptop and an internet connection. I'll show you exactly how each one works, what tools to use, and what realistic revenue looks like. No fluff, no hype, just the playbook. Let's get into it. The first business, and honestly the most proven one right now, is an AI automation agency. Here's what that means in plain English. Businesses need help setting up AI tools, and they'll pay you to do it. We're talking about things like AI chatbots for customer support, automated lead qualification, AI-powered email sequences, voice agents that answer phones 24/7. Platforms like N8N, Make, and GoHighLevel let you build all of this without writing a single line of code. You connect tools together visually like building with Lego blocks. Here's the revenue model. You charge $1,500 to $5,000 per setup, then $500 to $2,000 per month for maintenance and optimization. One creator, Ben Van Sprundel, built 2 AI businesses past $1 million annual recurring revenue each, and he teaches that the sweet spot is selling AI voice agents and chatbots to local businesses like dental offices, law firms, and real estate agencies. The barrier to entry is learning one platform well, N8N or GoHighLevel, and being able to explain the value to a business owner. That's it. There are free full courses on YouTube right now that are 5 to 6 hours long that will teach you everything you need to know. Business number 2 is an AI content creation service. Every business needs content, blog posts, social media, email newsletters, video scripts, and most of them don't have the time or skill to create it. With AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and Jasper, you can produce professional quality content 10 times faster than doing it manually. But here's the key: you're not just running prompts. You're the strategist. You understand the client's brand voice, their audience, their goals. You use AI as your production engine while you handle the creative direction. Pricing model: $1,000 to $5,000 per month per client for a content package. Say 8 blog posts, 30 social media posts, and 4 email newsletters per month. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can realistically manage 5 to 10 clients with a few hours of work per day. The smart play here is to niche down. Don't be a content creator for everyone. Be the AI content person for dentists or for SaaS companies or for real estate agents. Specificity wins. Business number 3, and this one is really interesting, is building faceless YouTube channels. Entire channels are being run with AI-generated scripts, AI voiceovers, and AI-assisted editing, and some of them are making serious money. A channel called Fern makes 3D crime documentaries, completely faceless, and earns an estimated $80,000 per month from ad revenue alone. The infographics show does animated explainers and makes $100,000 to $300,000 per month. And these aren't outliers. There are thousands of faceless channels in the $5,000 to $20,000 per month range. The key niches right now with the highest RPM, that's revenue per 1,000 views, are personal finance at $10 to $15, education at $9 to $14, and tech tutorials at $8 to $12. Stay away from gaming and entertainment, those pay $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. Here's the realistic timeline. Months 1 to 3, you're building your content library and getting almost no views. Months 4 to 6, you start getting traction. Months 6 to 12, you hit monetization. This is a slow burn, but once it compounds, it becomes passive income. The production stack: use ChatGPT or Claude for scripts, ElevenLabs for voiceover, stock footage from Pexels, and a video editor like CapCut. Total cost: under $50 per month. Business number 4 is creating an AI influencer or digital persona. This sounds futuristic, but it's already happening at scale. People are creating completely AI-generated characters with consistent faces, personalities, and content styles, and building real audiences on Instagram and TikTok. Tools like Midjourney, Flux, and Leonardo AI can create photorealistic images of people who don't exist. You pick a niche: fitness, fashion, travel, tech. Design a character and start posting. These accounts monetize through brand deals, affiliate links, digital products, and sponsored posts. One video from the Kerner office that recently got 2,400 views breaks down exactly how people are doing this and generating thousands per month. The Digital Income Project, a channel with 297,000 subscribers, has an entire video on how to blow up on Instagram using AI personas. Now, I want to be honest, this one has ethical gray areas. Transparency matters. Some platforms are cracking down on undisclosed AI content. But done correctly and transparently, there's real money here. And business number 5, this might be the highest margin one on this list, is AI consulting and training. Companies are desperate to adopt AI, but they don't know where to start. They need someone to come in, assess their workflows, and show them how to use AI tools to save time and money. You don't need to be a developer. You need to understand the tools well: Claude, ChatGPT, automation platforms, AI writing tools, image generators, and be able to teach others how to use them effectively. Think of yourself as an AI translator between the technology and the people who need it. Pricing: $150 to $500 per hour for consulting, or $2,000 to $10,000 for a workshop or training program. Ben AI charges for his AI accelerator community. Chris Kerner runs his TK Owners community. These are all monetized knowledge businesses built on top of their expertise. The fastest way in: pick one AI tool, become the expert on it, and start creating content showing people how to use it. Your content becomes your portfolio, your lead generation, and your credibility all at once. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Every single one of these businesses has people making real money right now. Not in theory, not in some hypothetical future. Today. The difference between the people making money and the people still watching videos about it is simple. They started. Pick one of these 5. Just one. Learn the tools, build something, and start reaching out to potential clients or posting content. The AI landscape is moving fast, and the people who move first are the ones who win. If you found this valuable, subscribe. I'm going to keep breaking down the exact tools and strategies that are working right now in AI. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.